Hey guys, remind me never to follow Danny into the hardware store because every time I do I find something. But look at this. Aren't they beautiful? Let me turn them. Oh, they are that way. Okay, the Hummingbirds. New Sloggers, guys. Isn't that awesome? Sloggers, I have the big pair of boots, but I was looking for the new, something new, the little shoes to wear for the summer. And guess what? They just got these in, had my size. It was awesome. So, Sloggers. These are the best shoes I've found for around the farm. You guys, if you like the shoes, I'm going to try and put a link in the description so that you guys can get your own Sloggers. Hummingbirds, guys. Isn't that awesome? Something besides chickens and cows.